dream came to reality. The day when a motherland broke the chains of slavery of 200 years and rose like a morning sun, fierce, radiant, and absolutely unstoppable. Every heartbeat is a gift from motherland. The fragrance of the soil is a fulfillment of every dream. 15th August, it's not just a day, but the heartbeat of every Indian citizen. A chapter written in courage, inked with sacrifice, and sealed with unity. यह वो दिन है जब लाखों बलिदानों ने हमारी धरती को आजाद किया. When countless dreams turned into reality and the impossible became possible. खून से लिखी गई वो दास्तान हमारी है, जहाँ शहादत पाकर जाने कितने ही अमर हो गए हम उस देश के निवासी हैं. Today when the tricolor flutters high, it tells us the story of Bhagat Singh's bravery, Rani Lakshmibai's courage, and Mahatma Gandhi's truth. It reminds us that freedom was actually never given; it was earned. And as we breathe in the free air, celebrating India's harmony, let's take a pledge to protect it, respect it, and nurture it for the generations yet to come. Our freedom is a gift wrapped in the sacrifices of our martyrs and tied with the ribbon of unity. It reminds us that every celebration today is a thank you to those who gave us this priceless treasure. So friends, with heads held high and hearts full of love for India, let's immerse ourselves into the journey of dance, music, and patriotism. On this 15th August, let's honor our past, celebrate our present, and inspire our future. With that, we welcome you all to Independence Day 2025-26.
Ganapati Havamane. The slow thundering Veda invokes the Lord Ganesha, the mover of obstacles, so that our work begins and ends smoothly.
Similarly, the Bible reminds us, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. It teaches us to begin our plans with prayer.
Prayer is not just words, it is a light that guides us and strength that uplifts us. Today, before we start our event, let us render ourselves in prayer.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing till the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. I worship His holy name. I worship His holy name.
Now, I request everyone to be seated on their respective places. To embrace this special occasion a little more and make this moment even more cherishable, let's hear out from one of our companions as she welcomes everyone with her gracious words. I now warmly invite Ms. Ananya Prabhakar to the stage to deliver the welcome speech on this auspicious day as we celebrate Independence Day.
Good morning everyone. Today as we gather here with immense pride and joy to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation India. This is the day when we remember the sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters who give us a gift of free India on 15th August 1947. Their dedication is a shining example for us. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. This significant day is a reminder of our responsibilities to protect and build our nation. We, the young generation, are the future of India, and it is our duty to value the unity, respect and hard work. It is my privilege to offer a heartfelt welcome to everyone on the behalf of St. Thomas School, Manipuri on this momentous occasion. I extend a warm welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Reverend Father Dr. Sheelu George, Principal of St. Mary's Inter College, Etawah, and former Assistant Manager of St. Thomas School, Manipuri. Dear Father, your presence adds immense meaning to our Independence Day celebration. I extend a heartfelt welcome to you, dear Father. I extend my sincere gratitude to our principal, Reverend Father Pinoy Joseph. Thank you, Father, for your leadership, guidance and support. Your dedication to our school is truly inspiring. I welcome you, dear Father, on the celebration of Independence Day. It is my honor to welcome our esteemed Assistant Manager, Reverend Father Verghese, whose constant guidance supports the growth of our school. I extend a warm welcome to you, dear Father. I am deeply grateful for tireless efforts and unwavering dedication of the guiding stars, our teachers. I welcome you all on this proud occasion of Independence Day. A heartfelt salute to our non-teaching staff, whose tireless efforts behind the scenes ensure that our school runs properly every single day. You are the silent pillars of success. I welcome you all to the honor of Spirit of Freedom today. To my fellow students, I extend my warmest and most patriotic welcome. May the glory of Independence Day be with us forever. Here's wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. So let us celebrate this day with joy and gratitude and a promise to contribute to our country's growth. Once again, I warmly welcome each one of you to the patriotic occasion with pride and passion that flows in the tricolor we salute. जिसका ताज हिमालय है जहाँ बहती है गंगा, जिसका ताज हिमालय है जहाँ बहती है गंगा, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्य में जय जय जहाँ नारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
This moment is truly precious. The reflection of last 78 years of grace and determination is lighting up the whole environment. दे सलामी तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना जब तक इस दिल में जान है। As the flag unfurls and we bow before it, let us recall our ancestors who gave their everything for our nation. May this day be etched in our memories as a stone wall to protect what we have been and to dream even bolder for the generation yet to come.
All classes salute the flag.
Yamuna
were more than 500 small countries in India earlier. They fought each other.
India was rich due to its agricultural product. It attracted Europeans to India.
Jallianwala Bagh.
सभी आदरणीय गुरुजनों, अतिथिगणों और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, नमस्कार। आज मैं आपके सामने एक ऐसे विषय पर बात करूंगा जो हमारे देश की शान है, हमारी संस्कृति की धड़कन है और हर भारतीय के हृदय में बसा है।
चंद्रशेखर आजाद फ्रॉम कन्नौज, उत्तर प्रदेश।
Indian revolutionaries who were executed by the British on March 23, 1939.
Gandhiji's leadership gave rise to India's freedom movement. Gandhiji's leadership gave unity to Indians.
August 15, 1947. Freedom celebration of India.
Gandhiji became the part of history. Kalam worked for India till his last breath.
Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is an order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world.
Rockets from India like PSLV and Chandrayaan made India in a rocket technology.
0 and liftoff for the final launch of Endeavour. Houston is now control.
India fought with Pakistan in the year 1965, 1971 and recently in the Operation Sindoor.
principal, Reverend Father Varghese, Assistant Manager, dear teachers, and my dear children. It is always a homecoming for me to reach to St. Thomas, because I can say actually I started my teaching career from St. Thomas only. In 2002, with Father Jose, I was here for 1 year. And again in 2008, I came as the assistant manager of the school. So I had a good association with the school, and I can say this is a homecoming for me when you are inviting me to the school. And I really thank Father Binoy for inviting me to this occasion of Independence Day celebration. And really, we are today gathered here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day celebration of our country. As we unfurl the tricolor, we honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought tirelessly for our country's sovereignty. As Mahatma Gandhi said, सत्य और अहिंसा ही हमारे स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के दो मुख्य स्तंभ हैं. The truth and non-violence were the two main pillars of our freedom struggle. Let us draw inspiration from these values and strive to build a nation that is just, equitable and peaceful. Dear students, you are the future of our nation. As Jawaharlal Nehru ji said, लोगों के दिलों में जीने की ललक होनी चाहिए. People should have the passion to win. Let this passion drive you to excel in your pursuits, to motivate and make difference in the world. As we celebrate our independence, let us also remember the words of Swami Vivekananda. उठो, जागो और तब तक नहीं रुको जब तक लक्ष्य ना प्राप्त हो. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Let us strive to reach a new height, to break barriers and to make our nation proud. And dear teachers, you are the torch bearers of our nation's future. Your guidance, your mentorship and support shape the minds of our youth. Keep nurturing them, inspiring them and helping them grow. As we celebrate our independence, let us also remember the sacrifices of our soldiers who protect our nation's sovereignty. Let us honor the bravery and selflessness of the soldiers. In the words of Subhash Chandra Bose, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. You give me blood and I will give you freedom. Today let us pledge to give our nation our best, our dedication and our service. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Please give a big round of applause.
I am standing for peace and non-violence. While world is fighting, why all people of world are not following Mahatma Gandhi? I am simply not understanding. Ancient Indian wisdom is 100% correct. I should say even 200% correct. But modern generation is neglecting too much, going for fashion and foreign things. Other day, I'm reading newspaper. Every day, I'm reading Times of India to improve my English language. Other day, I'm reading newspaper. How one Gunda fellow threw stone at Indira Band. Must be student undressed fellow. I'm thinking, friends, Romans, countrymen, I'm saying to myself, lend me your ears. Everything is coming. Regeneration, remuneration, contraception. Be patiently, brothers and sisters. You want one glass lassi? Very good for digestion. With a little salt, lovely drink, better than wine. Not that I'm over tasting the wine,
What do you think of prospects of world peace? Pakistan behaving like this, China behaving like that. It's making me really sad, I'm telling you. Really, most harassing me. All men are brothers, no? In India also. Gujaratis, Maharashtrians, Sindhiwalas, all brothers. Though some are having funny habits, still you tolerate me, I'll tolerate you. One day, Ram Raja is surely coming. You are going, but you will visit again, anytime, any day. I am not believing in ceremony. Always I am enjoying your company. I am not believing in ceremony. Always I am enjoying your company. Thank you.
12 साल का था। जलियांवाला बाग की घटना को देखकर भगत सिंह आजादी के लिए सबसे लड़ पड़ा।
ओए भगत, दुल्हन कब लाने वाला है?
भाई, आजादी ही मेरी दुल्हन है।
सिखाना होगा।
चलो सारे, इनको हिंदुस्तानियों की ताकत दिखा दे।
You Indian?
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना हमारे दिल में है, लेकिन है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। देख सकता है तो देख ले आसमां, हौसला ये देख के आगे बड़ी मुश्किल में है। अपने ही लहू से हम लिखेंगे अपनी दास्तां, जालिमों से छीन लेंगे ये ज़मीन आसमां। सर पे जवान हम मौत से भी ना डरे, आज आए देश में हमारा करें। वक्त पे कुर्बान हुए आरज़ू दिल,
भगत, बम तो तैयार है, पर एक बात सोच ले, धमाका करना जरूरी है क्या? 12 साल की उम्र में ही सोच लिया था, आजादी के लिए कुछ भी करूंगा। 8 अप्रैल 1929 में हुआ एक धमाका। इस दफा भगत सिंह हंसते हंसते अपने आप को सरेंडर कर दिया।
मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती पागल पागल भालो दिल को सब ये ज़मीन चूम कर सब कहो झूम कर ऐ वतन जाने जा जाने मन ये समा ये बहार दिल मिला जाने सा ऐ वतन जाने जा जाने मन ये समा ये बहार दिल मिला जाने सा जलवा तेरा जलवा
warm and pleasant good morning to everyone. Today, as we gather to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation, as we are reminded of the sacrifices of countless freedom fighters who gave their lives so that we may live in a free India. This day is not just a celebration, but also a reminder of our responsibilities to uphold the values of unity, peace and progress for which they fought. On behalf of our school, it is my privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to all who made this celebration meaningful and memorable. First and foremost, our sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Father Dr. Cedar George. Father, we remember with gratitude your service to St. Thomas School as a resident teacher and as an assistant manager. And today, for gracing this occasion with your presence and delivering an inspiring message that has motivated us to be proud and responsible citizens. A special word of thanks to our quiz master, Ma'am Shaina Wasim, for making this quiz segment both engaging and educational. Thank you, ma'am. We are deeply grateful to our principal, Reverend Father Binoy Joseph, for your constant guidance and encouragement in organizing such events. I also thank your assistant manager, Reverend Father Verghese, for your presence and support. Now it's time to thank all the participants of quiz competition and the teachers who accompanied them. It is such a wonderful and infotainment program which tested the knowledge of the students. Thanks to the team of Quiz Club for arranging such a fabulous quiz event. A special thanks to Santa and Felicity for beautiful decoration and all the arrangements. Lastly, heartfelt thanks to our teachers, non-teaching staff and students for their dedication and active participation, without which this day would not have been such a success. Let us carry forward the spirit of freedom in our hearts and work together for a brighter tomorrow. Once again, thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.